welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hit that subscribe button, click on the little bell, join the party, and come see what I'm all about and what I'm doing all the time. Hi guys, hi my besties, hi my oldies and goodies, hey my peeps. I call y'all my peeps. You've been my peeps for forever. You're my people, you get me, you understand me. So, hi guys, Merry Christmas. Y'all, this is a great video. This is a video, I've compiled, I've got all my creativity going, and I've compiled some stuff for y'all that is so good and so much fun to do and so easy, but it's gonna make a huge, huge, huge impact. And you got lots of time to do this. Now, today is literally 10 days before Christmas. When you're gonna watch the video, it is 9 days before Christmas. I mean, when did that happen? When did that happen? But I'm really in the Christmas mood this year. I'm really in the Christmas mood. And before we get into the video, I just want to share something with you all. I know, as a decorator on YouTube, it's our Super Bowl. It's our Super Bowl. And when it's Christmas and fall, we go all out. We do the thing. We decorate. We DIY. I mean, YouTube is like jam-packed. And unfortunately this year, I made a decision, and here I am all the way up north doing I don't know what. But I have to say, I'm really in the Christmas spirit, the true Christmas spirit. And I hope you are also. I really hope you are. It's not about the stuff. It really isn't. I've had a lot of time to reflect and think about it and think about what Christmas really means to me. And it's brought back such good memories and such nostalgia. And I guess being up north and seeing the old homes and having the cold weather, and I'm in a really old town, very historic town, and seeing the historic homes and thinking about my childhood and how I grew up and where I grew up, and you know, the north and south of it all, because y'all know it's all over the place, right? Like we know, right? Okay. So it's just, and being away from my family, it's made me appreciate my family and Christmas and the true meaning of Christmas, the being present, not the presents, being present, the love and the love that we have for this holiday, the true meaning of it, Jesus's birth, what it represents to us as Christians, and the whole bit. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Okay, I love to ramble, y'all know. So let's get into the DIYs, and then let's go style that little tiny, super outdated powder room, but that ain't gonna be for long. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Hello, love bugs. Let's get to crafting. These are gonna be the easiest, best crafts. So first of all, I got my favorite ribbon. I'm so obsessed with this ribbon. If I could put it everywhere, I totally would. And I pray to God that next year that they have this. Okay, what am I doing here? Well, I'm making Christmas towels. Doesn't everybody make Christmas towels? I'm just joking, y'all. I'm just joking. I got these towels at Walmart for $1.74 at Thanksgiving, just before Thanksgiving or Black Friday. I can't remember. They were like super inexpensive. They were kind of gross, but I brought them home and I washed them, and they actually fluffed up really good. And I thought, okay, if I ruin these towels, doesn't matter, because they were $1.74 each. And here we go. Get yourself some hot glue, your favorite ribbon, and make a towel. So what I'm doing here is I'm using the line on the towel to mark my straight edge, because I think that's just enough. Like, it doesn't matter. You just use one of the lines and you're fine, because then the top line will be even, if that makes sense. And you know what? If you don't like these after the holiday season, all you got to do is rip off the ribbon, because it'll come off really easy, especially with the hot glue. It'll come off really, really easy. And then you can use the towels regular. But for right now, this is going to give you custom Christmas towels. And how much did you spend? Nothing. Pretty much nothing. I'm so excited, y'all. I cannot wait. I cannot wait for Christmas. Angela's coming on Wednesday. Oh my God, so excited. And can you believe it? When you're watching this video, we only have 9 days till Christmas. Okay, y'all, I'm just finishing up the towel here. I hot glued both sides, both edges, so it looks really, really nice. I think this is a great idea. Can you imagine this in the spring or the fall? You get a fall ribbon, you get some tassels, or in the spring you get like little pom-pom ribbon, and you just edge the bottom of your towels with another pretty floral ribbon. I think these turned out really cute. I'll show you where I'm gonna style them in a little bit, but for right now, let's get on to DIY number 2, because then DIY number 3 is like my favorite. Okay, you've seen this 100 times. I'm not gonna describe all this. You know what I'm doing. It's the Dollar Tree candle holder, the Dollar Tree vase. Put a little hot glue around the neck, stick it on your vase, and now you got a little bit fancier, higher end vase. I'm gonna make a ribbon, and I was kind of really struggling with this, by the way. You could make a ribbon, tie it around, and be done with it. But I wanted to make it really like fancy, so I'm actually gonna make a bow. So I'm making a 4-loop bow with this ribbon. Y'all, I'm not really a fan of this ribbon. I wouldn't buy it again. I'm using it because I have it, but I wouldn't buy it again. It has a lot of fallout. It's very see-through. It's, it's okay. It is what it is, but it's fine. Okay, now, what did I want to tell y'all? Oh my God. Yeah, I'm so excited. Did I tell you Angela's coming? Yes, I think I did. I think I mentioned that. Y'all, I'm loving this. I'm really loving this season. Okay, and then I'm going to use a little bit of this. This is all I have left. That's it. I'm just going to make a 2-loop bow. Put it right in the middle just for some extra color. And then let's get to the centerpiece part of it, or the vase part of it. That'll look cute, right? I think that'll look cute. Okay. This is just everything I have left. This is one pick from Walmart. I love this. Isn't it beautiful? It's less than $4. I'm using Potpourri as a filler just for some color and texture. I spread this out to make a nice big arrangement, and then I'm going to use these. 2 of them are the same and 1 is different. And I'm just putting 1 on one side, 1 on the other side, and then the different one I'm going to put right in the middle, just for some color and texture. And I think it looks cute. In the end, it looks cute. This is very inexpensive, obviously. Now, if I had my stuff, I'd probably make a huge arrangement. And yeah, but that's okay. I actually like this. In the end, I think it turns out great. Okay, I'm so excited to share the next DIY with y'all. I'm just filling it with potpourri in the end there, just to keep it secure, to keep the little picks secure. And there's my ribbon. And isn't that cute? I think it turned out really pretty. I mean, you could use this on a sideboard, anywhere, y'all. It turned out really nice. A really, really nice front entrance table, anywhere. I mean, this would be so easy to make for anyone and cost no money. Oh my God, let me take a sip of my coffee because I'm so excited. Okay. oil diffusers and how to elevate your oil diffuser to look that much better. You're gonna need 4 pieces of toilet paper. That's right, 2-ply or 3-ply. I only have 2-ply. You're gonna stack them all together and you're gonna fold them like an accordion. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Oh my God, y'all. This is the cutest and my absolute most favorite DIY I have ever made. I love this. You're gonna pinch it together. Now, an elastic would work better, but I didn't have an elastic. So I'm just using a pipe cleaner and I'm gonna cut it really, really short. Like I showed you there, I'm cutting it really short. Okay. Then you're gonna smush these together. You're gonna bring one up and one down. You're gonna smush them together. And then you're gonna go sit by the TV. And you're gonna take your time very, very, very slowly and very gently. You're gonna pry this toilet paper apart, the 2-ply or 3-ply. And very gently, because it rips. You see? It rips. Very gently. Oh my God, this is so tedious. But this is gonna be so cute when it's done. Y'all are gonna be floored. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna love this. You're gonna love this because this is my favorite DIY. My absolute favorite that I've ever made. I think it's so cute. Okay, you ready? Let's elevate this even more. So you made a paper flower. You got your thing. You can tie your little bamboo thingy that it came with, right? Fluff it up. Keep fluffing. Oh my God, the fluffing. Yeah, but gently, y'all. Gently. Real, real gently, okay? Real, real gently till you get it to look the way you want. Blush. You are going to take your favorite or most inexpensive or whatever blush you got and a blush brush, and you are going to blush up the tips of the toilet paper flower. Oh, I'm telling you, just wait. Wait till you see it styled. This is going to be the cutest. Isn't that adorable already? All right, let's get to styling, y'all. I'm telling you, wait till you see where I put this. You're going to absolutely love it. You're going to love this. Okay, I'm going to start with my towels. I got my towels here on my towel rod. I moved the towel rod. It was in the most inconvenient spot in this itty-bitty bathroom. Like, this powder room is so tiny. And when you'd open the door, the towel rod was like in your face. So I moved it the other day. And this is where my creativity started. I wanted really pretty towels. How cute did that turn out, right? So cute. I mean, so high end. Okay, toilet paper. So what I want to do is I'm going to take my Dollar Tree little tray, this one, and I'm going to put 2 toilet papers and then our other DIY. Y'all know which one. But, you know, okay, so this is the powder room. It's the guest, you know, where we want our guests to come. So I'm going to do the little trick. Y'all know, you take your toilet paper, you make a point. Okay, honestly, we're in the bathroom together, y'all. This is hilarious. So you could put it here. What you do is you run your faucet and then, let me show you. See that? So you run the faucet, then you just imprint the faucet. It makes a cute thing. But I also like this other trick that I saw. You take 3 or 4 and you kind of like place them like that, triangle wise, like that, like so that they're like that. And then you pinch the middle like this, and you got yourself a little poofy. That's what we're gonna call it. And you just stick it up in here, and so you don't see the. So there, you would place it like that on your tray. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna do one more, and then I'll put the little oil diffuser. I think this DIY is the cutest. This oil diffuser is so tiny, and this little thing is so cute, y'all. This is the perfect thing to add to your powder room. And truly, oh, it doesn't fit. I should have tested it out before. It doesn't fit, y'all. It's too big. The toilet papers are too big. Oh, all right. Hold on. Plan B. Let's think. I am actually going to use this. So now if I use that, it's my Christmas kitchen placemat. I don't need 4 placemats in my kitchen, so that'll work. It'll give it some color and cheer back here, and I can put my little itty bitty diffuser, and it says Merry Christmas, so it's kind of cute, right? I love the towels. I think the towels turned out really, really good. You can use this idea for any season, any season. So as you can see now, we moved on to the other side where the vanity is, the, you know. I'm just making a little bow. Just a little bow of some plaid ribbon I have left. Y'all, I really don't have much left, so I'm using what I got. This little towel is one of my good towels, so I didn't want to put ribbon on that. I just tied it with ribbon. And then down here, I got myself a little like guest towel, I guess I'm going to use. And I put it on that little tray, little trinket tray with my soap. I like that soap, by the way. And then this little plaque that says, I think it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas or have a wonderful Christmas. It's from Dollar Tree. I showed it in the Dollar Tree haul. I think it works out really, really cute. And let's go to the other side. I put my centerpiece and this little candle nutcracker, the red, just to bring in more red. And that's my cord, by the way. Okay, do yours slip and slide? Go get this stuff from Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, it's amazing. It's a foamy double stick tape. Put a little on there. Peel off the one side. And magic, your mats are never going to move again. They're never going to move again. It's amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. All right, my sweet friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I got my coffee now. I'm going to sit back, relax, watch a movie. Powder room, check done. Most of the townhouse, check done. I got one more thing I'm going to do. I hope I can get it done by tomorrow so that I can piece the home tour together. A night view and a day view and everything. And come back and wish you all an official Merry Christmas. But until then, thank you for watching. Enjoy the weekend. I'll see y'all on Monday. And remember, no negativity allowed. Merry Christmas, everybody. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah.